Well, good evening, Josh Who TV followers. Welcome to the new house, which has a hot tub, but it was broken. So we asked the landlord what's broken. They said it had an electrical problem, and this is a big hot tub. So, of course, I gotta explore what's going on. Turns out it got a mouse in it, and the mouse just went to town and it chewed up. This is the control panel where the upper panel talks to the power pack. The light was chewed. This is the temp sender, was chewed. The flow was chewed. Right now the circ pump is dead. The circuit recircs for the heater, but I was able to trick it enough to get the tub up to temperature. But now I'm getting an overheat error, so I've had to disconnect the temperature sensor because it thinks the tub is 114 degrees. So we just unplugged that, and now it thinks it's only 106. And the SN3 is a sensor 3 that is for the temperature. So it knows the temperature sensor is disconnected. But I have a new circ pump on the way. It's up to temperature. We had it too hot last night. It was probably 104 last night. And then I let it sit overnight and all day while it popped the breaker overnight and chased us out. And so I tried to reset it in the morning, because of course I have to take the cover off of the pit and get down into the pit to reset the breaker, which resets the spa. And then it just tripped right away because it was saying the OH error, which is overheat. And now today I've got a little bit of a leak over here coming from that away. But I was just in here and like hosed all this and vacuumed it up. It was just like that, all that black debris and garbage and mouse poop and everything down here. It was pretty disgusting. But yeah, we're going to take a little hot tub dip tonight. Let's see if the light works. Oh, it does. Look at that. Well, you can't see it. But all the pumps, that one came on. This one comes on. Oh, that was diverted. It's like a swim spa. So it has a big jet up in the front. But that was my, that's the light. There we go. So I got full control over the tub, but now the little circulation pump is not doing its thing, and the thermostat is clear on the other side of the tub, so that might be we might just end up drilling a hole right there and putting a new thermostat right there, because I don't see this thing coming up out of the ground. I don't know how they got it in here.